Today we're going to talk about multiplying mixed numbers. First, I want to show you and remind you how to turn a mixed number, which we have here, into an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction whose number is bigger on top than the bottom, or the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, let's look at 6 and 3/7. We want to turn this into an improper fraction. This is already a mixed number. So to do that, we take 7 times 6, which is 42, and then we add 3. 42 plus 3 is 45. So we have 45, and then we always keep our same denominator, or the same number on the bottom. So turning 6 and 3/7 into an improper fraction, we would get 45 over 7. Now, to convert 45/7 back into a mixed number, another easy way we can do this is just take 7 divided by 45. 7 goes into 45 6 times. We subtract 42, and we're left with 3. So we have 6 and 3/7. That's a simple way to convert back and forth. Keep that in mind for the following problems. This problem can be found on page 282, and this is letter B. The problem states 3/8 times 3 1/3. The first thing we want to do is turn 3 1/3 into an improper fraction because we cannot multiply it like it looks right now. So to do this, remember we take 3 times 3, which is 9, and then we add the 1. So we would have 10, and remember we keep the denominator, so we would have 10/3. So we're really taking 3/8 times 10/3. And now it's the same as multiplying fractions. Remember, we can reduce on the diagonals if we can, and we also can reduce like this. So, we can reduce this one. Let's look at it. We can reduce the 3's. They divide, and we get 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I know 2 can go both into 8 and 10. It can go in 4 times, and over here can go in 5 times. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Our last step is to multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now, we have the problem done here, and we get 5/4. Your code for today is horse. To finish this problem, 5/4, we need to turn it back into a mixed number. Remember, to do this, there's two ways. We will do the division way. So, to do this, we have 4 divided by 5. The number on top always goes inside. 4 goes into 5 once, and we're left with 1. So we have 1 and 1/4. So our answer would be 1 and 1/4. This problem can be found on page 284, number 2. Now, to do this again, we're going to make it into we have to make both into mixed numbers. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7/4, times 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So we have 14, and remember we keep the 5, 14/5. Now we can multiply these because we have two fractions. So can we simplify it all? Well, I know 2 can go into 4 2 times, and 2 can also go into 14 7 times. We can't simplify any more, because remember, we only can simplify on the diagonals or up and down. So, to finish, we'll multiply across. 7 times 7 is 49, and 2 times 5 is 10. Now, we have it in a mixed number, or an improper fraction. We need to turn it into a mixed number. So to do this, I'm going to take 49, remember it goes on the inside because it's on top, divided by 10. 10 goes into 49 4 times, and we're left with 9. So we have 4 and 9 tenths. And that is our answer.